Good morning, Mom and Sir. I'm Rizalyn Jukino, 42 years old. I have two kids. My husband is laborer. My mother is housewife. My father is farmer. I'm an OFW in 4 years in Brunei Darussalam. My first employer is a family of Indian. My main task is cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, car washing, sometimes marketing, and sometimes I taking care the mother of my employer, bedridden. My second employer is Chinese, 3 children, 2 older. My main task, cleaning the house, sending child in school, washing clothes, washing dishes, cooking, marketing, car washing. Mom, sir, if you hire me as your helper, I promise to finish my 2 years contract. I promise to do my tasks nicely, with love and care. Thank you.